Shifting our focus back north again, even as the opposition and the activists spar with the centre over the Aravalis, it's a major forest row which has erupted in Mussoorie, where over 7,000 boundary pillars have suddenly gone missing. The petitioner has alleged that the disappearance of these pillars has enabled the forest land encroachment to take place, with hints of official collusion and political patronage. The Uttarakhand High Court, in fact, has taken note, issuing notices to the centre and the state seeking affidavits on the matter. In fact, earlier, the Supreme Court, remember, had slammed the Uttarakhand government over the land-grabbing issue in Rishikesh, saying that thousands of acres of forest land have been grabbed and that it appears to be systematic. The Apex Court has also said that the authorities have been silent far too long and spectators to the land that was taken years before their eyes itself. Now, the Supreme Court has also issued directions which include barring private parties from selling land and securing vacant forest land under the Forest Department. In fact, the Uttarakhand Chief Secretary has also been ordered to constitute an inquiry panel and submit a compliance report on time.
Now, we are reporting from the Mussoorie Forest Division's Raipur Range Reserve Forest number 2, and this is Olichak area, and the particular pillar is number 49, and it has a history. Let us tell you about the history as well. Since 1860s, even during the British Empire, the forest pillars were constructed to prevent the reserve forest land from encroachment and exploitation, and these forest pillars are covered by a thick block of cement and brick in order to protect them from any kind of damage and theft. The forest officials have also told us that this is not something which we can say that it is a theft. We can say that either they were damaged or they were not constructed, and then exercise has also been started. We have initiated an exercise to construct these pillars and prevent the forest boundaries. However, out of 12,312 forest boundary pillars, 7,375 are still missing, and let us tell you, people who are investigating into the matter are already have some kind of allegations in other cases who were investigating the matter. So that is why the court has stepped in and has asked the CBI, the state government and Ministry of Environment and Forest to respond in 6 weeks as why these forest pillars have gone missing. This is Ankit Sharma for India Today, Dehradun.
ये रिजर्व फॉरेस्ट की बाउंड्री है और आप देख रहे होंगे इसके आगे दूसरा पिलर है और ये इसके आगे है दूसरा पिलर है। तो अगर कहीं पिलर कुछ क्षतिग्रस्त हो जाता तो हमें हर साल उसको जो है मेंटेनेंस के लिए जैसा पैसा मिलता है तो हम उसको रिपेयर करते रहते हैं उसका। इसके हमारे पास गजट है, गजट के आधार पे इसकी फॉरवर्ड बेरिंग बैक बेरिंग होती है, यहाँ से दूसरे पिलर के और बीच की डिस्टेंस होती है, उससे हम उसको पकड़ सकते हैं। जहाँ तक चोरी का सवाल, चोरी नहीं हुआ, मतलब जैसे कभी अब जंगलों में कहीं पशु चले गए क्षति हो जाते हैं तो उसको हम दोबारा से रिपेयर कर जाते हैं।
मतलब क्षतिग्रस्त हुआ तो वो गायब हो गया,
गायब नहीं हुआ, मतलब वो टूट गया तो नीचे से उसको दोबारा जैसे ही बजट उपलब्ध होता है वो रिपेयर कर देते हैं।
The Uttarakhand High Court, Honorable Uttarakhand High Court has issued notices to the Union Environment Ministry, to the state of Uttarakhand and to the CBI, and has sought their responses on the issue regarding the missing of more than 7,000 boundary pillars in the Mussoorie Forest Division. This case is also important because of the reason that there is a lot of encroachment in this area in the Mussoorie Forest Division, and there is also allegation that by way of providing some undue benefit to the persons who are to the private persons, there are allegations that DFO of that area has accumulated a lot of wealth.